everybody, welcome back to my channel. Shawna here, and I am doing a Stitch Fix unboxing. And I've had this box for about a week, but there are always people here and I can never record a video because it is full of people all the time. So I sent my son with his buddies out to the skate park and they are skating around. I said, stay as long as you can. My daughter's in a room, my husband's downstairs. We're gonna try and squeeze in a video before everybody converges back in the living room again. So, I don't think I asked for anything. Oh no, I did ask for something this time. I asked for less polyester. That's why I said, too much polyester. I can't deal with it. I don't have to have all cotton. I like some polyester once in a while, but I need just less, right? I can't have so much of that. But I just got this shirt actually, and this is the kind of stuff that is great. It's cotton, but it's cute and stylish. I think you can do cotton. Maybe it's a blend, let's be honest. It's probably a blend, but it feels like cotton. It just feels like it. So anyways, I think that's the only thing I really asked for. We'll check the note and see if there was anything else. But I'm really looking forward to seeing what I got. So let's dive in. If you haven't tried Stitch Fix before, please look down in my comments or in my description area, whatever it's called. I put a referral code down there. So if you want to try it, it doesn't cost you anything to just give it a try. And especially in this time, I mean, what else do you got better to do? I'm doing crazy stuff while I'm sitting at home. Okay, so I don't know what this is. Little bag, maybe sandals? It's little. Oh, it is sandals. Okay, here's some Mia sandals. I have this color sandal. I can't remember who it's by, but I have these kind of similar sandals that I think I got out of a box last year. But these are really cute. I like all the strappies on them. We'll try them on, see how comfortable they are, see if they make sense. And here is my bundle. Ooh, those look like fun colors. All right, let's take a look at what I got. Okay, the first thing is, oh, these look so cute. Okay, they're Pistola, which in the past I've loved Pistola because they're super stretchy. They're an olive green denim. And they have cute little pocket zippers. I don't have anything like this. This would be so much fun. And I love a colored pant. That is so cute. Okay, I hope these fit. They're really cute. And my other Pistolas fit really nice, but it just depends on the cut. Okay, what is this? Interesting pattern. It's kind of a black and white, almost gray pattern. Let me back up. Oh, it's a dress. Oh, it is nice. It's probably not cotton, but it feels like cotton. And it's 41 Hawthorne. It looks like a faux wrap dress with a fun little design on it. All right, well that looks super comfy and lovely. All right, I look forward to trying that on. I love a wrap dress. Okay, oh, again. So I have a maroon shirt similar to this, a wine colored shirt similar to this, but it's that, I don't know what that's called. It's a polyester material and I don't wear it that often, but this is like a, again, some kind of blend that's stretchy and soft, and that's really cute. It has a little kind of fun neck detail on it, a little mesh neck detail. So I'll try that on, see how it looks. I like the pleating in the front. And then the last thing is, oh, skies are blue. Oh, this is really cute. It is just a really stretchy white or maybe cream tank top, but it has some neat like embroidery bits on the front or little lacy bits. And I often like getting kind of a fun white shirt, like a white or cream that's gonna go with everything. And so it's nice to get something that has some style to it that's but kind of plain and versatile. Okay, that's by Skies Are Blue. All right, I'm gonna try everything on. I'll be right back. Okay, here's the first outfit, and the shirt I think is cute. It's really cute. I'd probably get a bigger size. I thought I sized up on it. just carrying a little extra weight right now. Who's with me? So, if I decided to get it, I would probably size up one, but it's cute and soft and I think would go with a lot of stuff. I'm not totally sure it's my style, so I have to decide if it's worth it. But how cute are these pants? Okay, wait, you gotta tell me if they're cute. They're the olive pistolas. They're fun, right? The booty. They feel like jeggings. Could be the style, could just be me. But they're really cute. I have the sandals on. I'll hold them up for you guys again too, but I think they're cute. I think they're really comfortable. I started sweating trying to clasp, trying to do the hook clasp. The good news is that I could breathe in my pants while I was doing it, but I was like sweating from the effort. So that was a little tricky, but this style of sandals always like that. But I don't know if I need them, but they're cute. And they're really comfortable. They have like nice squishy like bottom. So, okay, well, tell me what you think. The shirt, the pants, the sandals. I'll hold up the sandals at the end so you can see a closer look at them. Let me go try on the next thing. I'll be right back. Okay, here's the shirt, and I just left it on with those other pants, and I think it's really flattering, and I like the color. I just don't know if I like it. I don't know if I'd wear it. I'm not sure this is my style, but I do think it's flattering. I like the pleats right here, and the sleeves are cute. I don't know what it is. I think it's maybe the neckline. It's just not me. What do you think? Am I being too critical? I like how it lays. I like the length. Tell me what you think about this. I'll need your opinion. Is it cuter than I think? Okay, let me go try on the dress. Okay, here's the last thing, and I think this is cute. Tell me what you think. It's super, super soft. I think it's flattering. It's a fun, different design. Shows off the ladies, but not too much for the neighborhood. I like the little tulip front. It's a fun little summer dress. I kind of have something a little bit similar to it, so I don't know if I need it, so it might depend on the price, but I think it's cute. Tell me what you think. I like it. It's soft and lovely and summery. Okay, it's time to look at the prices because they matter. Okay, so the Skies Are Blue white top is $48. I liked it. I don't know if I loved it. Not sure I'd spend $48 on it, but I do really like it, and I do like a really versatile white cream. What do they say it is? White top. So let me know what you think. Decision might depend on Stitch Fix math. Okay, the Pistola pants are exactly what I thought they would be. They're $88. And I think that's normal. It's exactly what I thought and expected, and they're really cute and stretchy, which is what I need right now. So those are in the yes pile for me at the moment, but tell me what you think. All right, the sandals, where are they? There they are. Here, as promised. There they are. Mia sandals are $40. That's so good. If you're looking for a comfy pair of sandals, those are so cute and comfy. I just looked in my closet and they're almost exactly the same color. So I don't think I need them, but for $40, maybe I do need them. Dang, okay. Okay, rethink that maybe. Okay, the dark purple Daniel Rainn top is $58. That's not worth it to me. I didn't love it. I'm not sure I even liked it. $58 is just too much, but I do love the color. I don't think it was a total miss. I like the fit, I like the color, just the style was a little bit off. And then the last thing is a 41 Hawthorne Faux wrap dress, and it is $68. Not terrible. I think you can find inexpensive summer dresses, but who am I joking? We're not going anywhere. We're not going anywhere. So you'll have to tell me what you think about this one. Do I need this? I don't know if I need this. Okay, so the whole box is $302. If I get everything, it's 25% off, bringing the total down to $226.50. Subtract my styling fee, $20, and the total for the whole box would be $206.50. It's not bad. It's not bad, but I didn't love everything. So, should I just get the pants? Ugh, I have to decide. All right, let me know what you think about it. Please comment. I love reading all your guys' comments. They're so fun, and everybody's really funny and fun and so sweet. I hope you guys are all holding up and staying healthy. If you like my video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like these, subscribe and hit the bell to get notifications for when I post. All right, thanks so much for watching. Bye.